Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a thumbnail. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and also a subscribe, that would be amazing. Okay, so as you can see, we are here at canva.com, and what we're going to do is we are going to come up to the left hand side here where it says YouTube thumbnail. If that isn't appearing for you, you can go into your search bar and you can type it in there. So we're just going to give that a click. And you can now see that we have this blank template in front of us. So we find that our thumbnails work better when we have a face on there. So what we're going to do is just upload our picture. So I'm just going to give myself a click there. And then what I'm going to do is remove the background. So I'm just going to make sure that the photo is selected. I'm going to come up to the top here, press edit photo, and I'm going to use background remover here on Canva. So this works for me as I've currently subscribed to Canva Pro. So I'm just going to make the picture a little bit bigger, and then I'm just going to sort of pull it over to the side here, get it positioned right. And yeah, there we go. That's cool. Quite like that. So what we are designing our thumbnail for here is Magic Media. So we've got got our picture here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add a background. So if you come over to the left hand side and scroll all the way down to where it says background, and I'm just going to pick this grey one here that we have just used. And I think that looks really good. The light against the dark hair really sort of stands out. There's lots of different options for you to choose. You've got different gradients, you can have pattern, whatever you kind of want. Canva has a really huge selection. So we're now going to come over to the left hand side and we're going to click on this capital T that says text, and we're going to press add a heading. So what we're going to do is I've got caps on and I'm going to type Magic Media. Amazing. And I'm just going to position that to sort of where I want to. So I'm going to bring it up to the top, also make it slightly bigger. And then you can change the font as well to what you want to. So Canva do have a huge selection of different fonts for you. So let's see. I think that's quite cool. I've got Anton. Amazing. Okay, so I'm going to stick with Anton, and I'm also just going to then make that a little bit bigger. Super. Okay, so I'm now going to edit and change the font. So we've chosen our font, and then you can see we've got this A with this multicolored bar underneath. So if you click on that, then that gives you lots of options to be able to change the color of the font. So I'm going to go for white. I'm then going to come across to the top and I'm going to click on this effects button here. And this is where you can add different effects to your font to make it stand out. So you can add a shadow, lift, you can splice, outline, glitch, you can make it neon, which looks really cool, echo. So whatever you want to, this just really helps your font stand out, which will make your thumbnail stand out, which means more clicks for you. So I'm going to go for lift. Actually, I'm going to go for shadow, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to, where it says color, I'm going to change the color of our color to black. I just think that really makes that Magic Media stand out. You've then got different options here. So you can offset the shadow to how you want. So I'm just going to leave it as that. Direction. So this is super cool. You can change the direction in which you want the shadow. Again, you can make it sort of stand out a bit more. You can make it sort of as blurry as you want to. Leave that, and then the transparency as well, so you can make it really pop or you can make it a little bit softer, so it's totally up to you. So I'm going to leave that there. So okay, so we are, as we have said, we are promoting Magic Media. So what we're now going to do is we're going to come over to the left hand side and we are now going to click on this button that says elements. Now what we are going to do is I'm going to type in Canva logo. and let's see what comes up. So I'm going to come along at the top here. As you can see, you've got graphics, you've got photos, videos. So I'm going to press photos, and I'm wanting the Canva C. So I'm just going to give that a click. Amazing. Just make it a little bit smaller just so that it stands out. And I think what's great about the Canva logo is everyone knows these colors. So someone's just scrolling their YouTube search, they're going to know these colors. It stands out. It's really bright and bold. And I think, yeah, it looks brilliant. And then also going to now, because we're saying it's magic media, I'm going to search for a wand as it represents magic. So I'm now going to type in magic wand. Here we go. And so we can see we've got graphics here, and then if we press the see all button, and then it's going to bring a different range for us. And then as you can see, lots of different ones, which is brilliant, helps you get really creative. So I'm going to press this one here because I like the stars behind it. And then there we go. So it looks like we are tapping the sea, and then we've got the magic stars appearing. And then what you can do is we can go back to elements, and then I'm then going to type in the word star, and I'm wanting something that sort of looks similar to this shape. So I think these look quite good. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to change the color so that they match this color here from this picture. So if we come up to the top and we click on this yellow color here, and then you can see that we've got the color here that we want, which looks amazing. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on our picture, and then I'm going to do layer, and I'm going to do send to back so that it looks that it's coming out of the Canva logo. I'm also going to copy and paste it, and then we might do some coming out the other side as well. Right click, go to layer, and do send to back. And then you can just edit, and you can, sort of have it however that you want. And that is how we create a thumbnail in Canva. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope that you found it useful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that will be amazing. We appreciate it so much. Any questions, comments, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.